Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Saturday, the 29th of March 2025. This is my weekly analysis video where we have a look at some of the Forex pairs and other pairs. I'm trading on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. Now, that might have sounded a bit flat because this is take two. The first one I did, the audio and the video are out of sync, like terribly out of sync. So this is take number two. So I'm repeating myself, which really annoys the crap out of me. Hope everyone's weekend's going all right. Thanks for watching the videos. If you do like them, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's always appreciated. I'd also like to thank President Donald Trump for making the markets very difficult to trade. It seems the case every time he opens his mouth, he's got something different to say. Tariff, I know tariff's his favourite word, but I wish he'd just get something sorted and be done with. What's he saying? April 2nd? At least it's not April 1st. April 2nd is some day in he's making a big deal of it. So that's going to be possibly a market mover. So just be careful. That's coming up soon. Obviously, I think it's Monday the 31st, Tuesday's the 1st, Wednesday. So just, yeah, be careful. All right, like I said, this is part two of my videos. All right. Wasn't a very good start of the week. My football team got beaten. Leading with 10 minutes to go in the game, absolutely got smashed. All right, this is my watch list. TradingView. I'm not a trade signal provider. Please don't follow me blindly. It's been tough going, so if you've been following me blindly, you're probably down a little bit. I'm down a little bit this month. 1.5%, 2% or something. Which for JAGfx is not good because my rating drops and I get funded, and other funding drops off that I've already got. So I'm starting to lose all my funding with JAGfx, which is not ideal. And the reason is because I need the markets to move. Like moves like this is good for me. This sort of crap here on the multi-sequence trading and even the traditional hedging is hard work. So look, this is the Aussie USD. Pretty well since the low, where was that? 13th of Jan. It's just been stuck in a range all year. We're in a sell going nowhere fast. We're MACD platinum's below the zero level. There's not much I can do here. There's just not much I can do. Green levels like this are big round numbers. So in this case, it's the 65-cent level, and below would be, I'm pretty sure, the 60-cent. That'll be the 60-cent down there. So 60's down there. We're in no man's land at the moment. We had to sell here. Nice resistance level and price. It's just gone nowhere. Right, BTC, Bitcoin. There is something happening here. Today, this is a 24-hour market. So if you look at my watch list, there's only one price ticking over. That's Bitcoin, BTC USD. It's a 24/7 market. Today, I took a new sell trade. Saturday, I took a sell trade. These previous trades, I just leave them on the chart. I've closed them all. So I was in the sell here from the 28th of January. Stop and place there. Wasn't stopped out. Then I took a buy, took a second buy on the 28th of March, which was yesterday on the open. I closed all those trades. I closed the sell, the buy, and the buy. Closed 3 trades. Small overall profit. And so now we're only on one sell. I just leave them on the chart for the weekend video, just to show you guys and girls where we're at. So we're only in one sell today. There's hidden bearish divergence there. You can see higher highs on the MACD platinum, lower highs on price. MACD platinum above the zero level. It's a good sell. Even though this is a pair, I'm more inclined to buy, not sell. You just got to be careful. It's like the gold or silver or the US stock market. You tend to have more of a bullish bias. But having said that, it's classic market structure. It may go down. Who knows? But the thing is, trading the way I'm trading, it's no big deal, because if it reverses, pivots, then I'll just pick up on the other side. So Bitcoin out of the previous 3 trades and just in one sell from today. I'll do a trade screenshot and post it probably on Monday. All right, CAD Yen, nothing happening, but we have got a grey vertical line because there's a red dot on the MACD platinum above the zero level, so I'm in sell mode. There's hidden bearish divergence, but nothing happening as yet. So just waiting patiently. Pound CAD, highlighted in orange. Basically, I'm in no trades at the moment. I closed both of these sell trades. I took one sell trade here on the 7th of March, was it? Yeah, something like that. 7th of March. Second sell trade on this trend line break in here. It came down, and because the MACD platinum gone through the zero level, it was looking a bit ugly, and we had this potential hidden bullish divergence forming. I actually closed both trades just below the break-evens for a small overall profit. So when I closed 26, so that's, I'd say it's on the open of that candle, and immediately when I closed it, so I closed on the open, and this thing just dropped down. I thought, damn. But the next day, bang, straight up. So in hindsight, it proved to be a good decision by me. Small overall profit. As I said, there's no trades on this, but I'll leave these on just to show you guys in the video. Pound yen starting to be a real pain. It was going up nicely. Last trade with this buy in multiple sequences. Got loss recovery trades on. All my break-even levels are these yellow lines, and it was heading up nicely Thursday until Friday. Don't know what happened Friday, but all that gains we made on Thursday wiped out on Friday, basically. MACD platinum's above the zero level, which we had this initial hidden bearish divergence, so I'm more inclined it's going to go to the sell side eventually, which, pardon me, ideally I would have liked to push up and continued up. Not to be, you got to be able to pivot, that's all. So if it goes to the sell side, we just turn all these around, add the trades. This is multi-sequence hedging, and go into loss recovery mode in a different way. It's not a huge loss, is it? 2,400, not that big on this pair. All right, pound yen, nothing happening at the moment, just waiting. Pound USD, just not going anywhere fast, are we? Again, this sideways action for a couple of weeks. These are my break-even levels here. MACD platinum's below the zero level now. Hidden bullish divergence forming. So if it goes to the upside, we'll just pivot to the upside, no big deal. And by the look at market structure now, higher highs, higher lows, it's probably going to go to the upside, which is not a problem. If I get a buy signal here, not going to be much damage done, and we can just go to the buy side. Just need one decent move in one direction. XAU USD, which is gold, we're going to sell, and it's just gone the complete opposite. And this is regular bearish divergence, So we've gone up. Like I said, you're always taking a bit of a high risk trades when you're selling the metals or Bitcoin or the US stock market. But if it reverses, we just take the buy, which you're going to see in a minute with silver. Just flicked over to silver. XAG USD, we have a new buy signal on Monday. Now, this is not a valid buy because the MACD platinum is above the zero level. There's no other supporting divergence or anything like that. So all it is a buy to help me out. So we got this original buy back here on the 5th of March. It's got to stop in place. So we can't lose on that trade. Life's good with that one. So there's a buy there. Took this sell here on the 24th of March. This has gone against me right from the get-go, basically. We've got a reversal. So on Monday, that's a hedge buy for sequence 2, and it's the commencement of a new sequence. Sequence 3, it's a new buy. I've already updated my spreadsheet. Have a look at the spreadsheet, shared spreadsheet. And you can see my notes there. I've obviously don't know what the price is until I get it. It's always tough taking a buy on a candle like that, isn't it? But you just follow your system, follow the rules. If it goes to the downside, it goes to the downside. We'll take the buy anyway, follow the rules. We're also going into loss recovery mode. So the initial sell was for 0.08. I closed half of that for this loss recovery. So I'm taking a loss. That's my first loss recovery, 0.04. I take a second buy trade in the loss recovery for 0.12, 3 times, and looking for try and recover that loss. Again, who cares if it turns to the downside? We'll pick it up on the downside. So that's silver and BTC, or BTC I've already taken my buy today because it's a 24/7 market, and silver on Monday, new buy, but it's not a standalone. If you're just trading standalone with stops, Don't take that buy. I wouldn't. Aussie Swiss, highlighting orange. I've stopped out of this sell trades, 2 sell trades. So it's traditional hedging. There's a loss recovery, 26 poked up here on this candle here, 26 stopped out. If it wasn't, I'll stop out the next day. But then, as Murphy's Law would have it, it's just dropped down again. So all I'm in is these 2 buys. Buy there, second buy there, which is on trendline break. Now we're back still in buy mode, and I've just adjusted a new trend line, and it's going down. Now there's a red dot on the MACD platinum below the 0 level. If I get a sell signal here, I may consider hedging these 2 buys with a sell. I'm out of this sell for a profit, big profit there. So as I said, I'll just leave these on the charts for the weekend video. Once the video's done, I'll go back, tidy up all these charts. So we're just in 2 buys at the moment. Aussie Swiss, not looking that good. Euro Aussie, very similar. Stopped out of this buy. So this buy is the second trade up at trendline break. The first one was here. There's a buy signal there. Remained valid, drew this trendline in. Took a second one on the break there, and which proved to be great, and stopped out on that date there, 26. Now I'm still in this sell here, and it was going nicely. It came down, popped up, came down nicely again. I think, yeah, I'm getting excited. But now Friday, it's gone back up to the entry level. Now the MACD Platinum is through the 0 level, and there's not much I can really do about this except wait. Might get a buy signal or something soon. Don't know. Wait and see. Euro USD, another one's just messing with my mind. In multiple sequences here, we've been in this trade since here. We've made a little bit of money, not much, but we're just in no man's land at the moment. Took this last sell here, had to get to these yellow lines here. Going well, going nicely, grinding down slowly, getting to the lines there. Just someone that's got orange hair said something about something, I don't know. But yeah, we're going the wrong way now. But again, like the pound, and we've got this potential hidden bullish divergence forming. So I'm happy to pivot, not a big deal. We're all pretty tight at the moment, so it's not under any real strain, but I just want to recover some of these losses. That'd be ideal. We need a big move. Pound Aussie, we're still in this buy from back on the 19th of Feb. Stop and place there, can't lose on that. Took this sell, a bit like the Euro Aussie, it's just messing with me, going up and down, up and down. Now the MACD Platinum is nearly through the 0 level, but the good thing is I'm hedged basically with a buy, so it's not the end of the world. Pound Swiss, one pair is actually doing my head in. Look at this. Bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Absolutely. We're stuck in this range forever along here. Now all we've done is gone up a step and stuck in the same range. These are my yellow lines. Yellow lines are all my break-even levels. Want to go down. Just going nowhere. New Zealand USD, it's highlighting orange. I've stopped out of my buy. So I took this buy here on the 6th of March. Went nowhere fast, had popped up nicely. Closed half, dragged my stop up, brought my stop a bit tighter. Stopped out of the buy for a small overall profit. Have a look at the spreadsheets. And since taking the sell on the 24th of March, and it's absolutely gone sideways, heading in the right direction now. MACD Platinum still above the 0, so sit by, waiting for it. USD CAD, still in the sell from 6th of March, and it's just gone nowhere. Close half, had to close half eventually. MACD Platinum through the 0 level, and put a stop just so I can't lose, reduce my risk. It's just going. It's ugly. USD Singapore dollar, we're in a 1 sequence. MACD Platinum's been pretty well below the 0 level until now. So there's a buy, hedge sell, second buy, second hedge sell, third buy. So trade 3. Overall break-evens up here, and we're grinding up slow towards it. In the meantime, I'm drawing these potential divergence lines. If I keep on adjusting this line every day and it goes up like that, it's no longer valid, just delete it. But it's just a bit of preparation, that's all it is. If we get a sell signal here, we just go to a second sequence, take the sell. US stock market, US 500, something happened on Friday. Who knows? Just Thursday, bearish day, Friday fell off a cliff, sell signal. There was a buy here, MACD platinum well below the zero level. Big move down, buy, hasn't gone, broke this 20 moving average, MACD platinum through the zero. If you had taken a buy, you'd be closing out half, putting a stop tight place, and it would have got you out. So, not ideal, but so Bitcoin today took a new sell. It's 24/7 market, and silver Monday take a new buy. It's not a valid signal, as I said, and I do call my trades pretty well live. The market for me, the new daily candle is 4 a.m. local. I get out of bed about 6:30, so it's about 2.5 hours later. Any trades I take a screenshot and I post them in the group. So it's all very transparent. Any trade management, which there is none, for Monday is also called in the group on a daily basis, and the spreadsheet's updated. So you can always check the spreadsheet now. All right, I'll just pause the video while I switch watch lists. All right, I've just switched over to my dollar cost averaging watch list. Now, this is my second account with JAGfx. It's going okay. I'm trying to set it up for prop firm trading. Because the biggest problem with prop firm trading is keeping your daily drawdown under control. Especially the way I trade, it's hard, very hard. But I'm deliberately trading small. On my second JAGfx account, it's a $100,000 account. I'm only trading 0.02 lots of my trades. That's my initial. I want to keep my drawdown under control. And I think on $100,000, the worst it's been is about $700, which is 1,000 is obviously 1%. So we're only getting up to 0.75% roughly, which is good. So this is dollar cost averaging. There's only 2 new trades for Monday. I won't go through every pair. We've got a new sell. I'm already in 2 buys. See, the QQE advanced is below the zero level. Now this is a, so you understand the settings here. Instead of 183, this is 714 and 1. 714 and 1. So basically I'm looking to sell when it's above the 50 level and buy when it's below the 50 level. So here would have been a buy, say there, and a second buy would have been there. It'll get above the 50 level there, just. So I would have been out of my trade somewhere in there. If not, another trade there, third one, and another trade there, fourth one. And once we get up through here, anywhere in here, we'd be closing out the profit. Sell there, sorry there, and once we get through that 50 level, start close now. So I'm taking a buy here, second buy on a trend line break, and there's my break even for that, but nothing's happened. In the meantime, the MACD platinum is above the zero level. There's a sell signal here. I'm taking this sell. Just it's based on the MACD platinum. So the sell's going to be in here. It just gives me some way of making some money when the other pairs, the other trades aren't going that well. So it's a new sell on the New Zealand Swiss, and pound New Zealand's giving me a bit of grief. We're in a sell here, second sell, third sell, and we come very close to the break even. Damn. And now we've got this hidden bullish divergence form, and there's a new buy signal on Monday. I'm going to take a buy. Taking that every day of the week. Even though the QQE is above the zero level, MACD platinum's below it, divergence, hidden divergence. Take the buy, see if we make a few bucks. We'll still get another sell signal. This always comes back to the zero level eventually. This could be a long time. All right, now the first video I did went for 30 minutes. This video has only gone for about 20 minutes. What have I forgot? I don't know. I must have been talking crap on the first one. Hopefully this one's a lot better, because I'm not going to do a third one. All right, so yeah, if you do like the videos, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. It's always appreciated. It is Saturday afternoon. What is it? 3:30 p.m. By the time this gets uploaded, going to have a few beers. Yeah, all good. Go watch some sport. Formula One. Look, as much as I don't like that Liam Lawson from New Zealand and the Red Bull team racing, I feel sorry for the poor bugger. 2 races and he's already been demoted back to the Red Bulls, the junior team. But I'm happy for Yuki Tsunoda. He should have been in the seat. He's a little Japanese dude, and he's a great racer as far as I'm concerned. I'm looking forward to seeing how he performs in Japan, his home Grand Prix. So it's way pressure on him, unbelievable. Going from a pretty tame car to the bigger Red Bull. Yeah, good luck to him. All right. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you people next week sometime. Cheers.